Getting right into it. So, my investing philosophy, just to start, is a philosophy based off of data first. I care about aligning my views, aligning my opinions with objective reality, with the way that the world actually works. And what that means is that I need to let the facts dictate my opinions. And that means that even uncomfortable facts, facts that I don't like, facts that, might not align with the perspective that I currently hold, I have to actually accept those facts like the most. I need to look at them the closest. I need to understand those facts the very best, because if they truly do break a thesis, the worst thing you can do as an investor is hold a thesis that no longer aligns with reality. So, facts are fundamentals, like how a company's actually doing with their revenue, with their gross retention rates, like are customers canceling, are they growing? So we're going to be looking at ARR. That sort of stuff is important as well. But another thing that changes the facts on the ground is how expensive a stock is. So when a stock like Path has fallen from 19 to 10, 11, 12, you're paying a lot less for the same fundamental value. So it gets very attractive. So price really matters in the thesis that you have as well. So reality dictates my opinions. And of course, I do not do this perfectly. I am a fallible human being. So I'm going to mess up. I'm going to get overly excited about things, and it puts blinders on that I don't want to have. And I have to we have to work on this as humans to try and be as objective as possible. That means like on X, I have to like things that I don't agree with to make sure that my feed doesn't turn into just, me feeding myself the opinions that I want to see and making myself more radicalized. Like these are important things we have to think about, especially in the age of AI, where there is the ability for AI to feed you all of the exact information that you want to see that just props up your presuppositions, and you never challenge anything. And it can create a bifurcated, disconnected society where we have a hard time communicating with each other and stuff like that. Slight digression, but this really matters when you're analyzing stocks. You have to let reality dictate your opinion. So what that means is that you cannot kind of like claim your value or like take pride in your current views or your current stocks or your current holdings. Like that is not where you can like derive your skill from, or however you want to say this. The value has to come from aligning your views with reality. So I care about pivoting quickly. Like if I pivot quickly because new data comes in and it tells me that, something that I thought was true actually isn't, pivoting quickly is what makes me take pride. Okay, I'm reasonable, I'm objective, I'm following reality, I'm letting the data dictate my opinions. I do not take my pride in the opinion that I had before I looked at this, and now I'm fighting the reality because, no, I have to be right. Like that sort of hard-headedness is the way to lose a ton of money investing. So just very quickly, I just want to get over that. That's my investing philosophy. It is a data-first investing philosophy where reality dictates my opinions. I take my value, on the highest level from my creator, from Jesus, but on a lower level, just like as far as professional competency goes, from aligning my views with reality, not from aligning my value from my current opinions.